He has no power steering, so he's gonna try to load it.
Oh, okay. Oh, dude, that was insane. That was worth it. 100% worth waiting. Just myself. Just yourself? Yeah. Oh, yo! You're good. Summer tire head ass. What's up, gamers? My name is Aaron and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is my 2001 NB2 Miata and this is a fruit punch energy drink. We're gonna take a little sip of this, find some liquid energy, and then we're gonna wipe down the car real quick. Alright, let's get going. Cheers. The car is totally clean. We're gonna try out this new little cup holder that I put in the car right here so I can have my drinks out of the way. And let's get this cold start, shall we? That's so nice. Now I've got my energy drink in the car, but it's also not in the way. Like, check that out. And it just slides down in between the seat and the console there, but I had to trim it a little bit in the front to get it to totally fit all the way down because there's no gap right here. Right here by the seatbelt is fine, but now I can have my arm here and shift because the original cup holders are here. And now it's actually like feasible. I honestly don't think there's a better cars and coffee car. Like, in reality, like, this is the best car to go to cars and coffee in. It's really quiet today. It's not like I'm up super early. I mean, it's 7:45, but again, like, I've been here earlier and it's been a lot busier out. I need to do an exhaust. Put in the comments what kind of little exhaust setup I should do. This is a budget build, so, you know, I'm not gonna do a $1,000 system on here, but drop in the comments what I should get to make it a little bit louder. I do like that this is super close to my apartment because, like, this is a 5-minute drive, maybe, especially because I'm catching all these greens. But everything else in San Antonio is far as hell away. Like, you got to give yourself a 20-minute commute for everything. So it's nice to have something really close to where I live for once. Dude, it is busy today. Oh my God, and I'm early. I'm never this early. This thing is insane. There's a nice velocity too. I like the stance on that. we got to finish our polls that we're doing. Now it's the Mark IV GTI versus the Mark I Type R. So let's see who comes up on top on this poll, and then whoever wins this one goes up against the new Nissan Z or 400Z or whatever you want to call it, and then we'll have our official winner of the month. So this was a fun poll to run, and I'm glad you guys interacted with it every single day, because I ran this every day, every but one day out of the whole month I ran this. So I'm glad that you guys interacted with it and enjoyed it, and we'll see who wins. That green though, sheesh. What the hell? It has a BMW M shifter on it. I'm very curious now. Next convertible for sure. S2K. Next convertible. Like right here. Yeah, like right where I'm at, right here.
No, send another car.
I will. I'll do it. Don't tempt me.
Got you back.
3-piece wheels with the stretch. Like right here.
Yeah, he's gonna park right here.
Right here.
Yeah, right here. Right, we'll go
like right here. Right here. I love your blue tint though. It just works with the black.
Yeah, man, I like it.
This Golf's alright.
He has that same kind of tint.
Yeah, I mean, it's nah. I'm just kidding. Three-piece wheels? Why not 4-piece wheels?
Alright, Adrian, why can't you do better? Why don't you just spoke this out like bicycle friend?
Yeah.
You have 25-piece wheels.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Fucking Whipple powered.
Whipple. I got my Whipple.
Whipple wobble. Bro, with the fucking absolutely mint interior too.
Automatic.
I don't know why those seats look like Velcro, and I want to sit in them.
I want to sit in them.
Yeah, like they just look so
I know what these seats feel like too.
Exactly.
I know what they feel
but
like.
I need to actually feel it. Dude, this bus, bro.
Dude, that bus goes crazy.
Bro.
That's the sex bus.
Fact.
That's the sex bus right there.
That bus goes hard, dude.
That bus
On like 13s too,
God,
like they're so little.
Oh, you got the big ass wheel. Oh, I like it. Jenny always honestly, I'd get one.
Any color other than rust is unacceptable.
Yeah. Yeah, I want the cars look, you know?
Yeah, facts. Bro, that is so nice. You saw one?
Yeah, it's a white one.
I'm surprised they would go to discount, to be honest.
So you get tires, man.
Yeah, but like discount tire guys, like every time I go in they scratch my wheels. I'm gonna have to go like I need to find the good place.
It is beautiful. Look, it has its flaws, but it's still beautiful.
I've learned after having the Miata that like little bumper damage and like paint scuffs and stuff, it's part of the personality. As long as you don't clap it out, it still looks good. Like, I'll take a car that has chipped paint and like dents and stuff over something that's just clapped on purpose. Any day.
I just realized this isn't a coupe. I realized it has
a 4-door?
I thought I was tweaking earlier. I was like, wait, I thought it just had 2 doors. No, it's 4. I guess that inhale from the Ford Lightning made me a little high. Yeah. Made me a little high.
The Velcro seats.
The Velcro seats give me a high.
They got you. You're tripping. Bro, you can see the tar on it too. That thing hooks. All the way back there, the tar. That's crazy. This thing must hook.
I wonder what he has in it.
I know, for real.
It's supercharged. I know that. It's supercharged.
Is it?
Well,
yeah. The cowl hood.
Yeah, it's supercharged.
I mean,
like,
if it's functional, assuming it's functional. Oh, Chevelle. Yes, it says the little badge right here.
So it's a Chevy.
Yeah, I believe that's a Chevy, right? Am I just stupid?
No, it's a Chevy. It's a V8.
That's real nice.
What?
Weight reduction. I mean, honestly, besides the headers, there isn't anything over there. So it's like, honestly,
there's no point.
Who even cares? It's not like you have to, like, at least over here they have wiring and stuff that would need to be protected. But over here, who cares? Damn, look at the tar over here too. Look at that.
You see on the paint. It's a Lincoln.
A Continental? This thing is a boat.
Oh.
This thing is a...
I love the Continental.
This is a barge.
Okay, it has pop-up headlights.
It does. Oh.
Liner seats.
Wow.
Dog, it's like
original VIP build. Is that a Supra? Bro, OG VIP builds.
Hell Kitty.
OMG. It is a wide body though, that's cool.
Now the Hell Kitty.
The same car.
How much do you think?
How much do I think?
Yeah, how much?
What the car was worth or what this build is worth?
What the car was worth. I want to say at least like a house maybe. Not even a house.
You think
like,
so?
At least like to put money down for a house. Like,
dude, I don't even know. Like it would have to be a race car driver because it's got 1 seat, full roll cage, like. I don't know. I think as long as it has turn signals at this point, it's still street legal.
Where's the license plate?
You know what? It's not street legal. This thing is so sick. Oh my god.
Dude, that control panel.
That is full on race car. This is a track car through and through.
Yeah, I was like, where's the plate? No. That's the plate right there.
It was the plate.
Dude, I want to know who it is so bad.
It's got air ducts and stuff on that side.
She lives in my neighborhood. I never realized it's a carbon trunk.
Oh, really?
It's a carbon trunk. But this thing is cooler.
Yeah. But anyways.
I'm going to ask a dumb question. I don't know what that is. I'm like...
stupid. I'm just kidding. What?
Like...
The hood dump?
Yeah.
I think it's...
Well,
actually...
Because he has exhaust in the back.
Yeah, that's true.
What is that? Unless that's the intake.
I think it's a...
It's the fuel system.
It's the fuel system?
It's the fuel system.
Time to take the thumbnail for the video.
You get my dumb commentary.
That's good. Because it's kind of boring when I just talk to myself. Bro.
Oh, that hurts.
Did somebody key it?
That hurts.
No way.
Oh, that hurts my soul, man. Dude, move this thing. This thing doesn't belong here.
move everybody.
Yeah,
It's
move everybody. No.
Again, like it being in the parking lot is disrespectful
Honestly,
to this
like,
car.
I'd choose this car over like anything, but I gotta get a picture of the inside.
I don't think that people like you and I could even drive this. I could not hop in there and figure out how to turn that on. It's not even built for normies. Like we're casuals compared to
the shifter.
Watch, it's just a 1-speed.
Well, no, because it has. Wait, no, it doesn't have. No, it has 2 pedals. I thought it had 3. It doesn't. It's an automatic. This thing is so sick.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna try and get some gas. Am I still blocked in?
I don't want to leave, but
I want to leave this thing. I feel like I'm never gonna see it again.
I know, facts. Like it is.
It's spawned in today.
It's a one of one. Holy sh**.
Oh, it's. Oh. We get to hear it.
We get to hear it.
We get to hear it.
It was worth waiting.
It was worth.
Watch out a little bit. He has no power steering, so he's gonna try to like.
Oh, okay.
Dog, that's crazy.
Dude, that was insane.
Worth it.
100% worth waiting.
All right,
so,
let's see what's over there.
oh my god.
Nothing can top that, but let's see what's over
Dude,
there.
yeah. It's like I don't even care. I don't even care what's out here.
I have the soonest fucking
Bro,
smile on my
it
face.
burned my nose. It was so
Honestly,
lit.
that thing is cooler than boobies.
And with that, guys, we are home, and that concludes today's Cars and Coffee video. By far was like the most legit race car that I've probably been that close to ever before. And let me know down in the comments if I should tint the headlights on this Miata yellow. I already have LED fog lights on it, so I already have the visibility lighting on the car, and I was kind of thinking the yellow would look really sweet on the black. But let me know down in the comments what you think, especially if you made it this far along, and I will see you guys in the next video. Drink water and be safe.